Hi, I'm Shadi. Welcome to my channel, English Pro Shadi. In this session and the next one, we are going to talk about greeting and farewell. This is the first part.
Part 1. Greeting. 1.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi, love.
Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown.
Hello, Tom.
Hey, Alice. Hey, Alice. Hey, Alice.
Hey, Liz.
Practice. Now answer, please.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Kate.
Now answer, please.
Hello, Sister Mary.
Hello, dear Mia.
Now answer, please.
Hey, Aisha.
Hey, Aaliyah.
Test. Speaking.
Hello, Mr. Jackson.
Now answer, please.
Hello, dear.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Now answer, please.
Hi, dear.
Hi, dear.
Hey, she.
Now answer, please.
Hey, dear.
2.
Hi, Mom. How was your day? Hi, Mom. How was your day? Hi, Mom. How was your day?
Hi, love. Everything was fine, thanks. How about you?
Good. Really good.
Great. Glad to hear that.
Hello, Mr. Brown. How are you doing? Hello, Mr. Brown. How are you doing? Hello, Mr. Brown. How are you doing?
Hello, Tom. Not bad, thank you. And you?
Very well, thank you.
Hey, Alice. What's up? Hey, Alice. What's up? Hey, Alice. What's up?
Hey, Liz. Not much.
Practice. Now answer, please.
Hello, Sister Mary. How are you doing?
Hello, dear Mia. Very well, thank you.
Now answer, please.
Hey, Aisha, what's up?
Hey, Aaliyah. Not much.
Now answer, please.
Hi, Dad. How was your day?
Hi, Kate. Fine, thanks.
Test. Speaking.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. How was your day?
Now answer, please.
Hi, dear. Fine. Thanks.
Hi, dear. Fine, thanks.
Hello, Mr. Jackson. How are you doing?
Now answer, please.
Hello, dear. Very well, thank you.
Hey, she. What's up?
Now answer, please.
Hey, dear. Not much, thanks.
Part 2. Farewell.
Goodbye, Mr. Good. Goodbye, Mr. Good.
Goodbye, Zendaya.
Goodbye, Mr. Good.
Bye-bye, Ollie. Bye-bye, Ollie.
Bye-bye, Mandy.
Bye-bye, Ollie.
Bye, Mike. Bye, Mike. Bye, Mike.
Bye, Joe.
Practice. Now answer, please.
Bye, Andrew.
Bye, Lily.
Now answer, please.
Bye-bye, Emily.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Bye, Emily.
Bye, Dad.
Now answer, please.
Goodbye, Mrs. Atkinson.
Goodbye, Matthew.
Test. Speaking.
Bye, Mom.
Now answer, please. Bye, dear.
Goodbye, Mr. Anderson.
Now answer, please.
Goodbye, dear.
Bye-bye, Liz.
Now answer, please.
Bye-bye, dear.
Thank you for subscribing and sharing your opinion in the comments below.